Come on, let's change, Alvin.
No, 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 no.
One looks like he's dead. One's just playing dead.
Done. Go to say hi.
And also record the bird sound. There's even a Mexican lychee head rattlesnake. Looks like it's a sculpture.
It's at the top. Look right there. It's in the top.
Monkey. Monkey right here.
Yeah.
You should see your back, Alvin. Oh, there's even zebra. There's a zebra right now. We're gonna go all the way walking to the section right here. Yes.
If you like the white one, you done.
Yeah. Swimming. I know there's one swimming right there. Look at the platypus.
We saw it.
Turtles. Look at the people look at the two people that are making all those turtles. He's literally going for